Welcome. In front of me is an Elephone P8000 and I'll show you how to do a hard reset to get rid of the screen lock. So as you can see right now, the device is locked, and although I know the pattern, I can't really unlock it because the screen is a little bit busted. So you can, well, now it worked, but let's see if I can do it again. Okay, but it still works anyway. So I just assume that we don't know. As you can see, it doesn't work all the time. But so assuming that we don't know the pattern, we can remove it by doing a hard reset, and we'll start off by powering up the device. Hold the power button and then tap power off and OK. Wait for the phone to turn off, and once it's off we will hold the volume up and power button together. So let's do that. Okay, and as you can see, now we're in boot mode. So from here, choose the first option, which is recovery mode, and to select it we'll use only volume up to basically navigate. As you can see, the arrow moving. So once it's selected, tap volume down to confirm it. Then you will get the Android logo with no connect, or well, it's in Polish, so not really. But if it's in English, it's gonna say no connection or no command, something like that. So to proceed, we'll hold power button and tap volume up once, like so, and you can let go. And from here, we can use volume up and down to navigate. So as you can see, both of them work. And what we want to do is select wipe data / factory reset and tap power button to confirm it. And then once more, volume down to go down to select yes. So let's do that. And then tap again power button to confirm it. As you can see on the bottom, wiping data. And then you get a message, data wipe complete. And just tap power button one more time, as long as it's selected on the Reboot System now. And the device will actually continue removing the data in the background now and finishing the process. So it will actually take a little bit longer than it normally takes the phone to power back on. So once it's going, I'm just gonna be back once it's finished. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you're back in the home screen, and the lock screen is now gone, as you can see. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.